David mentioned it because tomorrow's weather is just not going to cooperate. We're going to start there with the weather impact alert for tomorrow because the amount of rain coming in and the high winds for Saturday. So we're going to begin there with the Fiesta forecast and show you what we've got. Again, a weather impact alert because of the amount of rain and then also the high winds. We could see upwards of about an inch of rain in some areas, maybe even isolated spots of an inch and a half because we will have some healthy downpours. I'm going to show you future radar, and then it's all about the winds beginning tomorrow afternoon and all the way through tomorrow night. And I'll show you the speeds on the way. Sunday looks a little bit better. 20% chance, maybe up to 30%, scattered showers, and it's going to be a lot cooler. In fact, 54 in the morning. In fact, look what temperatures will do Saturday. I mean, we'll hit the high early in the day, lower to mid 60s on a windy, cooler evening. Outside right now, socked in over Calaveras Lake. It's mostly cloudy and 90. Feels like 91 with the dew point in the mid 60s. Southeast winds over 20 miles an hour. If you're heading out for this evening's plans, we do stay dry. It'll stay warm and muggy under cloudy conditions for Friday night. But when this front comes in, it'll be the dry line, of course, swept out of the way. Cold front swings in about mid-morning tomorrow. Let's show you the wind shift. Good south to southeast winds this evening, and then the winds will pick up as early as about midday. Okay, by 2 o'clock, we're going to be at 30 plus. Look at this, 6 p.m. Close to tropical storm force, and then watch this. So you're going to see 43, 43, 40. I mean, it's going to be very windy late tomorrow night heading into early Sunday. Now let's look at the rainfall. Two models I want to show you. The first one, the HRRR, showing a line comes together right along the frontal boundary at 10 a.m. from Del Rio through Kerrville up to Austin. Pushes through, and then it's behind the front that a disturbance slides in west to east. And look at the heavy rain from Kendall County up near Austin, and this is 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So there will be some breaks at points. That's why we're not too concerned with flooding. Just some heavy rain moments, but a lot of rain. Look at this. As we get into the evening and nighttime hours, that's when the rain coverage really picks up. Midnight temp will get down to 53 in Kerrville, Bernie, 57 here in San Antonio. And then as we get into Sunday, notice heaviest rain is going to be south, but we will still see scattered showers across San Antonio. Second model opinion. Now I'm going to show you that this model brings it in a little bit sooner, 8 a.m. instead of 10 a.m. And it's going to be across the hill country sweeping through, but they both agree, these models do, on overrunning rains being the bigger story from west to east behind the front and pockets of heavy rain. We're not expecting severe tomorrow, but we are expecting pockets of heavy rain and again thinning out for Sunday afternoon. A severe threat for tonight along the dry line is going to be in West Texas. It does get as far south as Del Rio. I'll keep an eye on things. The radar's pretty clear. And then on Saturday, just a small pocket of a 1 out of 5 chance north of Austin, south of Dallas. How much rain could we see between now and next week? Pretty beneficial deposit here. 2 to maybe 2.5 inches. Oh, let's get it because we're still in extreme drought. 14-day forecast from La Villita. Don't forget, Tuesday is La Villita time and Niosa. That's going to be the 21st. All right, Saturday, weather impact alert with a 50 to 60% chance of rain, and the winds will really pick up tomorrow night. Sunday, still pretty breezy and high about 73 with a 20 to 30% chance of showers. Back up to 50-50 on a weather impact Monday, high of only 68, so it'll be noticeably cooler. Then temperatures begin to rebound, but rain chances will stick around. 20 to 30% Tuesday, Wednesday, the 21st and 22nd. We're bringing them back for Fiesta, Battle of Flowers Friday. That's the 24th, and then even a slight chance of rain for Fiesta Flambeau on the 25th. Friday traffic time.